Hi everybody. In today's lecture we are going to study about trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. Okay. In previous lectures we have studied about sine of minus x is equal to minus sine x and cos of minus x is equal to cos of x. Okay. Now here we will go to prove third equation as cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay. To prove this we have to consider a unit circle. Okay. If we consider this as a unit circle, this as y coordinate and this as a x coordinate. Okay. Now this is our x-axis. Okay. Now if we consider an angle x or point it as a P1 with cos x comma sin x, okay, which means that it will make an angle x with x-axis. Okay, so this angle is x. Okay, again, or here we write let x be the angle. Okay, now we will rename or name it afterward which angle it is. Now if we add, we have to find the formula for cos of x plus y. So here it is angle x. Now we add angle y. If we consider it as here it is angle y, sorry, it is up to here only, so this is angle y. Okay, it will start from here. Okay, we have add in x. Okay, so this total angle it will be x plus y from x-axis to point. So this point we'll consider it as a P2 into bracket. Now total angle is cos of x plus y comma sin of x plus y. Okay, so P2 is, here we write P2 as cos of x plus y comma sin of x plus y. Okay, now if we draw a tangent from point P, so this has a perpendicular line from point P. So here this total angle, if we draw a line where it intersect, so this point P3, and it will make an angle with x-axis as minus y. Okay, so here P3 is cos of minus y sin of minus y. Okay, point P3, this is point P3, this is point our P2, and if you consider this point P1 as it is a unit circle, this total distance is 1, so it will be 1 comma 0. Okay, because y is 0 at this. Okay, so angle x is P1, it has origin O, P1 O, sorry, it has a P4, P4 O P1, angle P4 O P1 as a measure x. Okay, and y be the angle. Now y is the angle P1O P2, angle P1O P2. So, or we can write then x plus y is angle. Now x plus y, which means it start from x-axis up to point P2. Okay, so it will be P4O P2, angle P4 O P2, okay, which is measure of angle x plus y. Also let minus y be angle, minus y is P4O P3, angle P4O P3. Therefore P1, P2, P3 and P4 will have the coordinates now. Coordinates of point P1 is P1 into bracket cos x comma sin x, P2 into bracket cos of x plus y comma sin of x plus y, P3 as cos of minus y comma sin of minus y, and P4 1 comma 0. Okay, these are the coordinates of point P1, P2, P3, P4. Okay, here it is angle 90. Okay, now consider the triangle P1O P3 and P2O P4. Okay, now we are considering the triangle P1O P3 and P2O P4. Okay, so if we consider this two triangle, so here this both angle P1O P3 and P2O P4 are congruent. Okay, so we can say that P1 P3 and P2 P4 are equal. Okay, here this both angle P1O P3, this triangle, and P4O P2, this both triangle are congruent. Okay, so we can say that P1 P3 and P2 P4 are equal. So by using distance formula, we get P1 P3 square is equal to cos x minus cos of minus y bracket square plus sin x minus sin of minus y bracket square. Okay, which means x1, if we consider this as a x1 coordinate, this as a y1 coordinate, x1 y1, and it as a x2 y2. So distance formula is x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square, which is our distance formula, x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square. Okay, here we are considering P1 P3 square. Okay, if you consider P1 P3, you have to consider as a square root of x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Okay, now from this we can write it as cos x minus cos of minus y is cos y bracket square plus similarly sin x. Here sin of minus y is sin minus sin y, so minus minus it will be sin y. You have to write in bracket cos of minus x is equal to cos x and sin of minus y is equal to minus sin y. This we have used in this step. Okay, now bracket square will be, now first term square is cos square x Here sign is minus, so we take minus twice cos x cos y plus second term square cos square y. Okay, this is expansion of first bracket. Now expansion of second bracket is now a minus b bracket square. Here it is a plus b bracket square. First term square is, which is sin square x plus sin is, so twice sin x sin y plus sin square y. Okay, so here it can be written as, now here cos square x plus sin square x will equal to 1, and here it will be same, twice cos x cos y, and cos square sin square y plus cos square y is equal to 1, so it will be 1 plus 1 and plus twice sin x sin y, which will be equal to, here 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 2 into bracket cos x cos y, and here sin it is plus, we have taken bracket outside bracket minus, so it will be minus of sin x sin y. Okay, we have taken 2 common from this both term. Okay, also next line, also p2 p4 square is equal to, now distance in between p2 and p4, distance between p2 and p4, p2 coordinates are cos x plus y comma sin x plus y, and p4 are 1 0. So here x1 minus x2, which means cos of x plus y, cos of x plus y minus 1. Okay, here x coordinate is 1, minus 1 bracket square. Okay, plus here it is sin of x plus y minus 0, because 1 comma 0 is a p4 point bracket square, so its expansion will be cos square of x plus y minus here 2 into cos of x plus y into 1 is cos of x plus y, and minus 1 square is 1. Now here it is 0, so it directly written as plus sin square x plus y. Now in this both angle are same, cos square x plus y and sin square x plus y. Here angle term is same. We know that sin square x or sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, we have this formula. So you can write here angle are same, so it can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus minus twice cos of x plus y plus 1, which will gives us 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 2 cos of x plus y. Okay, since p1 p3 is equal to p2 p4, okay, so this value is of p2 p4 square, and above value is p1 p3 square. Okay, so from this two we know that p1 p3 is equal to p2 p4, which implies that p1 p3 square is equal to p2 p4 square. It is bracket square. Okay, so it will give 2 minus, left side will be 2 minus 2 into bracket cos of x cos y minus sin of x sin y. Okay, this is our left side, is equal to 2 minus 2 cos of x plus y. Okay, now here 2 on both sides, both are plus, so if we shift this toward left, it will be 2 minus 2, it will be 0, so it's remain only minus twice cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is equal to minus twice cos of x plus y. So both terms are minus 2, constants are minus 2 outside bracket, so you can divide by minus 2, it will remains only, here right side will remains only cos of x plus y. Okay, and left side here minus 2 is multiplied, on left it will be divided, so minus 2 get cancelled, only remain cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. okay, which is our required proof. Okay, here we can write divide by -2, divide -2 on both sides. Okay, so this will give us a required proof. Okay, now if we replace a y by -y, okay, if we replace y by -y, so left side will be cos of x minus y is equal to cos x cos of -y minus sin x as it is sin of -y. Cos of -y will be cos y and sin of -y will be minus. So here only change will be, it will become plus, and here cos of x minus y is equal to become cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Okay, now here replacing y by -y, it will become cos of x plus minus y is equal to cos x cos of minus y minus sin x sin of minus y. Okay, so left side will be cos of x minus y is equal to cos x, cos minus y is cos y, and minus sin x, sin minus y value is minus sin y. So it will be cos x cos y minus minus plus sin x sin y. Okay, which is next formula of cos of x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Okay, next formula is formula number, it is number 4. Next fifth formula is cos of pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. Okay, this we have to prove. Okay, so in above, in cos of x minus y, replace or we put x is equal to pi by 2 and y is equal to x in above formula, or you can write in formula, you can write here cos of x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Okay, so here we put x is equal to pi by 2, so it will be pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos pi by 2 cos x plus sin pi by 2 sin x. Okay, now here cos pi by 2 cos 90 is cos 90 value is 0 and sin 90 is 1. Okay, so here cos it, this is 0, so first term will become 0, so it only remain 1 into sin x, which is equal to sin x. So cos of pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. Also sin of, next formula number 6, sin of pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos x, which we have to prove. Okay, so we know that, or by using above, we know that sin x is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus x. Okay, here angle is x and here angle is pi by 2 minus x. So here we want pi by 2 minus x. So we replace or we put x is equal to pi by 2 minus x. So it can be written as, left side will be sin of pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus of pi by 2 minus x. Okay, which will gives us cos of pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus minus plus x. Okay, pi by 2 get cancelled, it only remains cos of x. Okay, so sin of pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos x. Next formula number 7 is sine of x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, also here we know that sin x is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so here put x is equal to x plus y, so left side will become sin of x plus y is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus of x plus y. Okay, so it will be cos of pi by 2 minus x minus y. Okay, so we write here cos of pi by 2 minus x minus y. We know the formula of cos of x minus y, so here we adjust it as cos of pi by 2 minus x minus y. Okay, so cos of x minus y, also cos of x minus y, we have cos of x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So here we have to replace x by pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so here we put x is equal to pi by 2 minus x. So here we get, so here it will become cos of, sorry, in this here it is cos in the form of cos x minus y, so here it can be written as cos of x, x means pi by 2 minus x, into cos y as it is, because here it total term is x and y is this, so cos y as it is, plus sin x means sin of pi by 2 minus x and y as it is, sin y as it is. Now cos of pi by 2 minus x is sin x and cos y as it is, plus sin of pi by 2 minus x is cos x sin y. So this is the formula for sin of x plus y, so which is left side. So we get next formula, sin of x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, here for x minus y we have to replace y by minus y. Now replace y by minus y, it can be written as sin of, so here it can be written as sin of x plus of minus y is equal to sin x cos of minus y plus cos x sin of minus y. So here sin x as it is, so left side will be sin of x minus y is equal to sin x cos of minus y is cos y plus cos x sin of minus y is minus sin y. Okay, so it will give sin x cos y minus cos x sin y, sin of x minus y is equal to, okay, which is our required proof, which is our formula number 8. Okay, so also we can prove that cos of pi by 2 plus x is equal to minus sin x, sin of pi by 2 x plus x is equal to cos x, cos of pi minus x is equal to minus cos x, sin of pi minus x is equal to sin x, cos of pi plus x is equal to minus cos x, sin of pi plus x is equal to minus sin x, cos of 2 pi minus x is equal to cos x, sin of 2 pi minus x is equal to minus sin x. Okay, so these are the formulas some related to sin x and cos x. Okay, in next lecture we go through the next trigonometric functions: tan of x plus y, cot of x plus y, tan of x minus y, cot of x minus y, and many more trigonometric functions. Okay, so we will stop for today. Thank you.